Haha, what's up friends? Got a tutorial video here for you. How to import Lightroom presets to Lightroom Mobile, which can be kind of confusing if you're trying to figure it out on your own, which is why I'm showing you how. Roll bumper! Alright, so Christina and I have been releasing some Lightroom presets, and when you download them, you actually do get files for both Adobe Lightroom Classic CC for the desktop and files for Lightroom Mobile. And they're actually two different kinds of files. And so in this video, I'm showing you how to import those specific Lightroom Mobile preset files into your Lightroom Mobile app. So what's cool about Lightroom Mobile is that you don't have to have an Adobe subscription to use it. So it's actually available for everybody. So even if you don't have an Adobe subscription, go ahead and download Adobe Lightroom Mobile, because this app's going to be so good for you to edit your photos in. And it's the one that you can add our presets to. So, alright, so if you haven't downloaded it, go ahead and download it, and then we're going to jump into it. So first, let's assume that you haven't actually downloaded the presets yet. So you might actually have gotten a specific link to the preset page to download, but if you're just going straight to our website, irvinture.com, then you would hit the three lines in the top right corner, and then you go down to resources, and then scroll down to tools and presets, hit that, and then scroll down to the second block, which is Mykonos preset pack for Lightroom Classic CC and Lightroom Mobile. So let's hit that, and then you'll see a bunch of previews of each of the three presets within this pack. And at the bottom, there will be the download button. So hit the click here, and it'll take you to a Selfie page. So hit buy now, and then you'll put your email in, which I will do ericirvinfilm@gmail.com, and hit download. And so then it's going to say, we have sent the download link for Mykonos Lightroom presets Irvinture to your email address. But before we download these presets onto our phone, we're going to need a zip file unzipper app. So I recommend the app called Unzip. So go ahead and download that. It's called Unzip, and I already have it, so it just says open, but go ahead and download that, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. And then if you go back to your email and you hit that download product button, there's going to be a Dropbox option and a download option. Hit the download button, and it's going to open up just the zip page, and there will be a button that says open in Unzip. So if you hit that, it's going to open it up in the Unzip app, and what you're going to do is hit that folder, that Mykonos Lightroom Presets Irvinture zip folder, and it's going to create an unzipped folder. So now hit that folder, and then hit Mykonos, and then hit the folder Lightroom Mobile. So now you can see the three presets in there: Little Venice preset, Old Town preset, and Stay Golden preset. So what these files are and how they're actually different from the presets you would put into your Lightroom Classic CC desktop app is that these are actually image files. So when you download these, they're going to be the actual picture that we edited, and it's going to have those presets ingrained in that image, and you're actually going to be able to take those presets and then create the preset in your app. So this isn't necessarily just a preset that you import straight into the app and then it's boom good. You actually have to take the image file in, and then we're going to create a preset from that, and I'll show you how. So first, let's click this Little Venice preset, and then we're going to hit the icon in the upper right hand corner, the box with the arrow, and then we're going to hit the Save Image button at the bottom. And so that's going to save the image to our photos. And then let's go ahead and do that with the other two presets as well. So let's hit Old Town preset, and then let's save the image to our photos. And then let's do Stay Golden preset, save image. Alright, so those three DNG images are going to be in our photos now. So here they are. They're in there. So let's go ahead and open up the Lightroom app. Alright, so at the bottom right hand corner, there's going to be the import option. That whole icon actually has two options. The one on the right side of it is going to be like take a photo with the app. That little left icon is the import photo button. So you're going to import from your camera roll, and you're going to see the three options right at the top there, and they're going to say DNG in the middle of them. So let's start with the image on the right, which is the first one we downloaded, called Little Venice. And let's hit that, and then hit that check mark in the upper right hand corner, and that's going to finish importing it into our Lightroom app. But it's not necessarily at the top of my photos right here because it actually has timestamp data on it too. So you can either scroll down and find the image in your library, or a little trick I do is just import it a second time, and it actually knows that it's already imported. See that little Lightroom icon right there? It knows that it's imported in now. So if you just hit it, now you're able to select it. So as you can see, if you click and hold the screen and then let go, there's the before and after. So that's our preset, is this after. So what you're going to do is in the top right hand corner, you're going to hit the ellipses button and then hit create preset. And there's going to be the preset name option, and you're going to title it Little Venice because that's what this one is. And if you need help remembering which one is which, you can always go back to our website and see what the different presets were. So that's the Little Venice one. So Little Venice, and then in preset group you can actually create a new preset group and call it Mykonos because that's the preset pack that you've downloaded just now. So preset group is Mykonos. Preset name is Little Venice, and all the check marks are the things that we used in these presets. So there weren't any tools used in it, and there weren't any like optic changes or geometry settings involved here. So you're just gonna hit that check mark button in the top right hand corner, and you've now created a Little Venice preset in the Mykonos preset group. So now you can test this by importing another photo. So I'm going to import this photo that I have of these sailboats. So if I import that, at the bottom, if you scroll all the way to the right, you'll see the presets option. And it actually started me in this Mykonos group already. But if you go out, here's all the different groups. Those are the default groups: color curve, legacy color, legacy creative, user presets. Those are all default things, but you've just created this Mykonos group, and there's Little Venice in there. And as you can see, when you hit it, you apply that preset to the image. So if you hit check mark, now there's your image with our preset. And just a quick note, presets aren't always going to be a one and done, apply to your image and it's good to go sort of thing. Sometimes it's perfect, sometimes you have to make some adjustments. So here, if it's like too bright still, we can go in and bring the exposure down, bring the shadows down a little bit or something. And now you've just made a couple tweaks to the preset that you've applied. So now let's go ahead and create the other two presets in the pack. So hit import, pick that second image file, the Old Town one, hit check mark, and then let's go ahead and do the import situation again because that's a little trick to just get to it quicker. Alright, and now in the upper right hand corner there's the ellipses, hit create preset, and then this one's called Old Town. And then pick your preset group, Mykonos, hit the check mark button. And now you've created your preset. And let's do the other one. Alright, so add this one, check mark, do it one more time just to get to it quick. Alright, hit the ellipses, create preset, and then title it Stay Golden. Then add it to your Mykonos preset group, hit the check mark. Alright, so now if you import another photo, so I'm actually just going to take a photo of myself right now. So let's go to photo. I'm going to take a selfie. That's Boss, by the way. And then we're going to go back to Lightroom, hit the import button. Let's bring this in. And now when you open up that image and you scroll all the way to the right on the bottom menu, you'll see the presets option. And now you can see in the Mykonos folder there's the three preset options. So you can do Little Venice or Old Town or Stay Golden, and Old Town works really well in here because it's a darker, shadowier situation. So it kind of adds that vintage faded film look. So before the preset, after the preset. Alright, so that's that. That's how you import the Lightroom Mobile presets to your Lightroom Mobile app and then create the presets and then apply them to your photos. If you have any other questions beyond what I showed you here, feel free to reach out or comment below. If you like this video, hit that like button for us, and then definitely subscribe to our channel if you dig this kind of stuff. We're going to be putting out a lot of content like this. And then also go check out our website, Irvinture.com, where we post blogs and all our resources like those presets and templates and even our gear list and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.